Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export to Excel on monday.com. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the monday.com. Once you are in, first of all, you have to select the board. Once you select the board, you have to click on these three buttons. And here you have to go on the more actions and export board to Excel. Here you can also include the updates. You have to click on the export. Now you have to wait for it to open. Once it is downloaded, you have to go on the uploading. Here you can upload this file. Now here you have many options like upload on my drive, Google Drive. You can also select the file or go on the more actions. You can also Dropbox. Here you can add the more like invite a user and send this. So this is how you can export to Excel on monday.com.